Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be doing is cooking a vegan chili. And also on the side, I have a strawberry salad with guacamole and pico de gallo. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like and thumbs it up. And don't forget to comment down below. And if you can, share this video out. And I appreciate you guys for watching. We're going to start out with 2 cups of black beans. We're going to rinse them off and get all that purple and black out of it because we don't want our meat to start turning purple. So we're going to wash it out probably at least about 6 to 7 times. See, we want to keep rinsing it off until that purple is gone. I don't know, it might be black, but it looks purple to me. So we want to make sure all that purple is out of the water. And even if you put it on the stove to boil and you still see more purple, go ahead and pour that water out and add more water to it until the water is completely clear. Now we're going to go and put it on the stove on high and let it cook until the beans are completely soft. There's no set amount of time to cook it. It's just as long as your beans are soft, they're done. I have my unsalted butter. Did I say butter? Butter. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of butter and put it inside the heated pan. Also, I have my stovetop on medium high. And then I'm going to add some bell peppers and onions. I'm using frozen bell peppers and onions because that's what I have in my refrigerator. And I just didn't want to have to go through trying to cut up all these bell peppers and onions when I already have it in the freezer. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the pan and fry those up. I know from here it kind of looks like dog meat. So let's go ahead and get a close-up of what this plant-based, I guess, meat looks like, okay? I'll never really measure my seasoning. I just kind of just put it in as I go because I know what I like. But today I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. So what I did is I put 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then I'm gonna stir everything up, and if it starts sticking at the bottom of the pan, just add some water to it. Just gradually add some water because mine started sticking. Look at that. I swear it looks like real beef. Like, I'm surprised. Like, I'm like really surprised. So I love my bell peppers and onions, and I have to add some more. If I can't see the color, then it's not enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. And like I said, I'm just doing this by ear. So I probably put at least a cup worth of bell peppers and onions in this chili. Now we're going to transfer the plant-based meat into the beans. Now let's go ahead and stir everything up inside the pan, and we're going to add more ingredients as it cooks. Now here's the trick. If I had enough chili powder, I wouldn't have needed all the other ingredients that I'm about to add. But all I really do is add the chili powder and then some sugar, of course, and my garlic powder. But all this extra stuff, it was just to replace it because I didn't have the chili powder, nor did I have crunched tomatoes. And then I realized I had pico de gallo in the refrigerator. So yeah, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. And this is how the vegan chili came out, and the salad. I really like this vegan food. Like, it's good. You can't even tell that it's not meat. It tastes excellent. And then my children, they actually ate it too. So, I mean, I can definitely see myself buying this again in the future. Maybe making some tacos out of it or something, because I know I love me some tacos. So yeah, and the salad was really good too. And I'm all about salad dressing. I gotta have salad dressing with my salad, but for some particular reason, I didn't need no salad dressing for that salad. Maybe it's because of the strawberries and the guacamole mixed together. It was excellent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and thumbs it up. And I'll see you next time in the next video.